In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import passwords into Dashlane. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Dashlane account, and if you're migrating from another password manager or a browser, that you've already exported your credentials to a CSV file and saved it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated imports folder. A clean CSV with clear columns for website, username, and password will make the process smooth. Start by going to Dashlane. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop application. Either works. Once you're in, head to your Vault area and look for the section labeled Logins. This is where all your saved website credentials live, and it's also where the import option is located. Click on Logins to open that section, then look for the Import Logins option. Depending on your layout, you might see it as a button near the top or in a menu within the Logins view. Selecting that will launch Dashlane's import flow and prompt you to choose where your logins are coming from. When you're asked to choose an import source, pick the option that matches your previous tool. If you exported a generic file, select CSV. If your old manager or browser is listed by name, choosing that source can streamline the mapping of fields. If you're unsure, CSV is a safe and flexible choice. Click on Get Started to move to the next screen. You may see a brief overview explaining what will happen during the import. Take a moment to read it. Dashlane will outline how it handles duplicates and which fields will be imported so you know exactly what to expect. Now choose the CSV file you want to import. Browse to the file you saved earlier and select it. Before confirming, it's a good idea to quickly preview the file name and location so you know you're importing the correct one. Dashlane will analyze the file and, if needed, ask you to confirm that columns like URL, username, and password are recognized correctly. If you see any mismatches, adjust the column mapping so each piece of information lands in the right place. If duplicates are detected, Dashlane typically gives you the option to keep the newest version or merge. Pick the behavior that best fits your workflow. Once the import completes, review a few entries in your logins to make sure everything looks right. Spot check a couple of sites by logging in to confirm your credentials work. That's it. Your passwords are now safely in Dashlane and ready to sync across your devices.